family. We got Nathan. We got everybody. She about to put a little some about Uncle Ben. To my uncle, rest in peace, man. I said, we will never forget you. We will always miss you. You gone but never forgotten. And this initial was very big deal to me. Can't hold my tears inside because it's killing me. Now my heart is damaged because all of this pain. Please tell me why when I cry it gotta rain. I don't get it. Is it because you cry with me? Because if that's the case, I want you to come get me. Yeah, man, so we can meet like we need to. If I had wings, I would come up there and see you. For real, true story, no joke. Before I go to sleep, all I could do was pray and then hope that you would come back someday. That we would see each other someday, somehow, some way. I said, I know when you were around because I get a cold shoulder. You taught me a lot and I see it now that I'm older. Even though you gone, you still watching over. I still see me as the little boy that used to hold you. You was more like a father than an uncle. You always been my hero. Tell me, is there anything you won't do? Man, why you had to go and leave me here all alone? I feel like I need you. I can't do this on my own. Please tell the rest of my fam I said hi. And when they went that I never could say bye. If you do that, then I'll keep my head high. Because to me, fear ain't the enemy. I don't think y'all gone, I still got memories. But it would be nice to see your face and hear you speak again. So I'm going to sleep and have a dream that we'll meet again. That's what I'm saying.